Milad Tower, also
Tower,
known
one of the
as
tallest in the
Tehran
world, but it's
Tower,
more than
is
just a tower.
a multi-purpose tower in Tehran, Iran.
The motto of this place
Milad
is
Tower
it's
is
a
the
tower, and
fourth
that's what I'm going to
tallest
find out.
tower in the world. Azadi Tower, a monument of Iranian history and genius. Toghrel Tower, the oldest tower of Tehran, and Milad Tower, which we discuss in detail in this article. The Milad Tower raised like a tall cypress in the sky of the capital, and as one of the most famous sites in Tehran, calls many tourists to visit it. Hello friends, my name is Vali. I'm from here with Neshki channel. In this video we are speaking about Milad Tower in Iran.
And where you can grab a bite to eat.
Introducing Milad Tower in Tehran. Milad Tower in Tehran is the tallest structure in Tehran, the third tallest tower in the Middle East, and the sixth tallest telecommunication tower in the world. Currently, in the world of communication, Milad Tower of Tehran has a wide use in facilitating wireless communication in the city of Tehran, optimizing and expanding the coverage of radio and television frequencies and creating a favorable infrastructure for digital television. Architecture of Milad Tower, Tehran. With 13,000 meters of infrastructure, this tower has the first place among all the telecommunication towers in the world in terms of extent of use of the structure at the top of the tower. Milad Tower is visible from almost everywhere in Tehran due to its high height and different appearance, and therefore it is considered one of the symbols of the capital of Iran next to the Azadi Tower. What parts does Milad Tower have? Milad Tower has several parts: administrative department, business sector, tourist sector includes restaurants, multi-purpose house, museum, etc. Seeing this beautiful tower up close and taking a tour inside the Milad Tower will be pleasant for many people, and its charms have made many tourists and citizens go to this sightseeing place in Tehran every day and leave this metropolis for a few hours from there. Milad Tower visiting hours. Visiting hours of the tower on normal days are 9 a.m. to 18 p.m. and during the months of the Ramadan, the working hours of visiting the tower are 17 in 1 in the morning.
And seeing the water and all, I had to have fish. But this place has over a dozen restaurants from
the
decent
cost
to
of
VIP.
visiting the Milad Tower. Currently, two types of tickets are sold to visit the Milad Tower. The cost of the first package of the Milad Tower is in Tehran in May 2022 was equivalent to 101,000 tumans, and with it you can visit the upper floors of the tower, which includes the open viewing platform, Gandab Asaman in the Museum of Manuscript and Gifts of the Municipality and the Museum of Celebrities. The price of Milad Tower in Tehran is 89 tumans for the second package of Milad Tower, and with it you can visit the 7th floor
And last,
and the open viewing platform of
always a
Milad
blast
Tower.
for friends, especially knowing they'll be bruised up for weeks. This is the last
The
floor on display to
spectacular
the public.
area
Known as
around
shaped
Milad
displaying
Tower.
Thousands of years of Persian
The
civilization.
appearance of Milad Tower and its surrounding area is multiplied by the darkening of the air and the lighting of colored lights, and it is known as one of the best places to see in Tehran at night. It goes without saying that the area of Milad Tower is used for holding exhibitions and festivals from time to
You
time.
can even see other planets.
That's it for me.
Milad Tower International Convention Center. Milad Tower International Convention Center is known as one of the most private venues for all kinds of events in the capital, with 15 separate conference halls, radio and television studio, reception halls, and a 600-meter space. Among the other halls in this section, we can mention Moulavi, Khayyam, Shahryar, Ferdowsi, Rudaki, Saadi, and Rubaz Attar halls and Stek, each of which has different capacity and future for holding event. Karbazaya Milad Tower. Karbazaya Milad Tower is actually an educational and recreational environment for children aged 2 to 13. Karbazaya is designed as a city with different sections where children can participate in activities related to the hospital, environmental, mechanical, kitchen, post office, news studio, store, fire department, sand play, robotics, and laboratory, along with games and entertainment. Popular parts of Milad. Restaurant in Tehran with a 360-degree view of the city of Tehran. Famous museum with the display of famous Iranian statue. Dolphin room in the tower area. An open viewing platform on the 7th floor of Milad Tower with the possibility of watching the city of Tehran through spatial cameras. Sky dome in the highest part of Raspolo building. Closed viewing platform at the height of 261 meters to watch the city of Tehran. Municipal museum with a display of old Iranian manuscripts and documents. Engiba escape room in the tower area. Zip line and suspension bridge at the height of 75 meters. 6 dimensional cinema. 7 dimensional game from group games. Various concert halls and cinemas. you.